Pagin ka sa kanya.
Oh, kalma. If you wanna shake.
BGYU. Binwinding kasi yan eh.
Dito kami sa elevator now. And then we're going down. Say hi to my pimple. Tapos, we're gonna meet Lainwell na kasi he's waiting na there sa may meetup place namin. It's a bit earlier than usual. Kasi di na namin need to pass by Dunkin' Donut kasi nakabili na si Lainwell na. Pero we might offer a short prayer for guidance sa Jesu before we go tomorrow sa aming meetup place. So yeah.
Saan naglakad? Di mo alam po post ko to, be. Ilalim?
Yung sa labas?
Magay ka sa vlog ko.
Hi, good morning. Lalaban kami today.
Yes, correct. Guys, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog. Hi kuya. Morning po. Hi everyone. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Ay, ang aga. First time. So this is my seatmate. Say hi. With their PT, who's always drunk, out and about. O si, may alak, nakakaloka. Check mo yung story ni Sir Fitz last night. This is Lance's last UAAP.
Oo, kala ko
Oh my god.
Glowing ka tapos mag-aalak ka pa.
Smart, biglang may martini after.
The Goblin is here with us today. My love. Morning, coach. Nahirapan pa. Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Say hi, vlog. Just woke up? Okay. Hi, vlog. Enzo! Enzo! Mga bad trip yung mga vlog! Inulit. Where's mine?
That's rolling.
So, he's letting me video his vlog, guys. So vain.
Ano?
So vain. He's letting me video his vlog.
You're my videographer for this.
Our Pogi strength and conditioning coach. Smile, smile.
Paano smile yun?
Say hi first.
Hi, vlog! So, we arrived here na in MOA Arena. So, our game today is against a new Bulldogs.
Championship match.
Championship match. So, we're on our way to our dugout.
Ang dami na tao.
We're so early kasi... Anong oras na? What time is it? It's just 9 AM and our game is at 12 noon. We're so early. Kasama po natin, please welcome Riza May Diesel.
Uy! Sorry!
Ate na yun. Uy, ipopost ko nga ito. Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. Wait lang.
Just trust me, you'll be fine. And
Weird daw po. Borta pa ako sa'yo, babe. I'm getting my foot taped because I sprained my ankle last game.
Smells so bad, Lance.
Uy, Sir Fitz, don't say that. You recorded. So yes. It doesn't smell bad, Sir Fitz. You know why? Kasi naglagay ako ng foot powder. Okay, so you're a liar.
Gunting na ako na. Bubay lang naman eh.
So let's see how good Sir Fitz is as a PT.
I'm very good at my job.
Okay, whatever. Grabe yung paa ko. No, it's not mabaho. Okay, thank you Sir Fitz for taping my ankle.
Yeah. Sir, pwede saan alipin?
Alipin.
Lance is just making
Arte.
arte.
No. Bes, baka mahulog ako kumano ka.
Sa AI. Alay! Uy, yung mga lang! Kanya ko. Oo, kaya kasi siguro sa mga bata tinutulungan sa probinsya. Magubad ka rin, Jake! Ano ba? Hindi ka yan!
Dilim. Jeric against the light ka sa camera, babe.
Gising ako ng 6 AM para mag-wait. Mag-uwi para hindi ko bayad.
Friday ng hapon.
Hirali ka. What's your order, Kennedy? Kennedy, what's your order?
Burger steak lang. Ako din.
Totoo ba? Bakit?
Ako sa New Town mamaya. Kapupunta nga kami ng Escalero, di ba?
Maghay ka?
Ang cute!
1, 2, 3. Wow!
Hindi ka naman, Teo.
So what can you say sa libre?
Libre? Ako ba? Parang for yun lang. I'm gonna libre someone. Siyempre talaga kayo na rice. But chicken lang.
At ang pinaprotein niya, guys.
Joke lang.
Siya.
Joke lang.
Ikaw naman sabi mo?
Thank you.
Ay, grateful. Kasi hindi ka?
Kasi nalibre ako.
Kasi hindi ka ingrata?
Hindi ako grata. Masama ugali niya. Masama ugali niya sa akin. Promise.